Credit Genie is one of those apps that promises to help you get a better handle on your finances, especially if you're in a tight spot and need a little extra cash before your next paycheck. The big selling point here is the cash advance feature, which lets you borrow up to $100 with no interest and no credit check. That sounds great on paper, and for some people, it might be a real lifesaver when unexpected expenses pop up. The app also offers tools to help you track your spending, giving you insights into your financial habits so you can make smarter money decisions. Now, let's talk about how it actually works. Signing up is pretty straightforward. Just download the app, create an account, and link your bank account. From there, you can check if you qualify for a cash advance. The catch: not everyone gets approved, and even if you do, you might only be eligible for a smaller amount, like $10 instead of the full $100. Plus, there's a biweekly fee of $3.49 just to keep your bank account connected to the app. That fee might not seem like much, but if you're already struggling financially, those small charges can add up over time. When it comes to getting your money, there are two options. You can choose the free ACH transfer, which takes 3 to 5 days, or you can pay extra for an instant transfer to your debit card. If you're in an emergency and need money right away, that instant transfer might be worth it. But again, that's another fee to consider. And let's not forget, this service isn't available in certain states like California, Connecticut, and Maryland. So if you live there, you're out of luck. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, Credit Genie offers a quick and easy way to get a small cash advance without worrying about interest or credit checks. Like the financial tracking tools are also a nice touch, helping you stay on top of your spending. But on the downside, the recurring fee just to keep your account connected feels like an unnecessary cost, especially since paying it doesn't guarantee you'll get approved for a cash advance. The maximum advance of $100 is also pretty low, helpful for minor expenses, but not much help for bigger financial problems. Overall, Credit Genie might be useful for people who need a small boost before payday and don't want to deal with traditional payday loans. But with the recurring fees and limitations, it's not necessarily the best long-term solution for financial stability. If you're considering it, just be sure to weigh the costs and make sure it's actually helping you rather than adding another expense to your budget.